Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to get a free VPN on Brave browser without any software. First, open Brave browser. Then, open Settings. Choose Extensions. Then click on the Get More Extensions option and open the web store. Search for a VPN extension and add it to the Brave browser. After it is downloaded, pin it and turn it on. Choose a country. Go to What is my IP address website and check if the IP is the same as VPN IP.